Hi everyone, today we are going to be looking at longest common prefix. This is again a very simple problem. You are given a list of strings such as flower, flow, flight, and you have to find the common prefix between all the strings in this list. So in this case it will be FL. For the next example where you have dog, race car and car, there is nothing common, so you return a blank string. So first let's look at the intuition for this and then we can look at the solution. For saving time, I've already written the list over here. So it's flower, flow and flight. The first step that we are going to do is we are going to sort this list. So it's going to be flight, flow and flower. Now it is very simple because it is sorted. We know that anything that matches between these two lists, the first one and the last one, last string, it will match in everything in between. So we just now need to compare the first and the last element. So basically we are going to now pick uh, the first element of the first string and the first element of the last string. Since f is common, we are going to push it into a variable. Now we are going to move the pointer to the next item. So it is L over here and L over here. So again it is common, so we are going to just push L over here. Now it's going to the next element, which is I over here and O over here. So now it's going to come out of the loop, break out of the loop, and it's going to return FL as the answer. I hope this makes things clear. Now let's go back and code the answer. So as discussed, first we are going to sort the list. Then we are just going to keep a variable which is going to be blank for now, because I want to store the common prefix in this among all the strings. Now this is a new function zip that I'm over using over here. If you don't know about it, I would highly recommend that you go ahead and read some literature on this. But just a high level, what it's going to do is it's going to give me the first element first for these two strings. So here str0 is flower and str-1 is the last element, which is sorry, str0 is going to be flight because we have sorted the list, and str's -1 is going to be the last element, which is flower in our case, because it's a sorted list. So it is going to first give me f and f. X will be equal to f and y will also be equal to f. In my first iteration, in my next iteration, both of them will be L, and then in my next iteration x will be I, and y will be 0. That's when the loop will break. So all I have to do over here is I just have to put an if condition. If x is equal to y, then I just need to append that to my common prefix string. Else I'm going to break out of this loop if they are not common. And in the end, once I'm out, I'm just going to return common prefix. Now let's just run this code and submit it. So as you can see, it is a pretty decent solution. Thanks for watching.